Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, restart your mobile. So to restart, swipe down to open Control Center. And here you will see this restart icon. Click on this icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to confirm, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then try reconnecting to your Bluetooth device. So to do this, open settings. Now here click on connections and then click on Bluetooth. Now from here click on this icon with your paired device and then click on unpair. Now again click on unpair and then again click on the device to connect. So after connecting, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then turn on and off the airplane mode. So open the control center and from here turn on airplane mode and wait for few seconds, and after that again turn it off. So I hope it will fix your problem, but if it's still not working, then the next solution is disable battery saver. So open control center and from here swipe left, and if you have turned on battery saver, then turn it back off. So if you have turned on this option, then turn it off, and after that the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on general management and then scroll down and here click on reset, and after that click on reset network settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you click on reset settings, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So I hope it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video.